Asphalt Paving Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global asphalt paving market size will be $2,614.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America asphalt paving market size of $1,045.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe asphalt paving market size of $784.26 million. Asia Pacific asphalt paving market size of $601.27 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America asphalt paving market size of $130.71 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa asphalt paving market size of $52.28 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.